Hello! Arthritis is also known as DJD, degenerative joint disease, a general term referring to abnormal changes in a joint. It can be caused by joint tissue destruction subsequent to an infection, by congenital defects, or by stress or traumas to joint surfaces and supporting structures. Typically, the first signs of arthritis are weight gain, more sleeping than usual, less interest in playing, and a change in attitude or in the level of alertness. In pets with arthritis, B-Cure Laser Vet provides pain relief, reduces inflammation, and it is effective, painless, and very well tolerated. Ron and Bim will now show us how to treat elbow arthritis or arthrosis using the B-Cure Laser Vet. For treatment of arthritis, start with a low dosage of 1.5 minutes and gradually increase the duration of treatment up to 4 minutes within 24 hours. Turn the device on and set the treatment time to 4 minutes. For continuous device operation, press simultaneously the elongated button at the left side and the round button. Release both buttons simultaneously. Now the device is operating continuously. Place the device vertically along the outer side of the forearm for a period of 4 minutes, keeping the pet as still as possible. At the end of the treatment time, set the timer again to 4 minutes and place it along the inner fold of the arm. In addition, treat the inner side of the forearm at the crease of the arm horizontally. For optimal results, repeat the treatment at least twice a day. We wish you and your pet a successful treatment so that you can both enjoy a good and pain-free life.